Hi, my dear listeners, welcome to the new special Easter episode of Peter's English podcast. In this episode, at first, I want to tell you that I want to read you my new latest fairy tale, Easter with Viera, the vampire girl, but at first I want to wish you Happy Easter, everyone. And we can start to read you. I can start to read you my latest episode, and we can start right now. Easter with Viera, the vampire girl. Viera's diary. Easter is coming. That means a lot of fun, thanks to the preparation for it, the bank holidays, and the Easter Monday drama. Easter is a bank holiday in Slovakia. We celebrate Easter at home together. My family bought ingredients for making Easter cheese, cakes, lots of ham and sausages. I hate Easter because of the Easter Monday drama. Slovak Easter traditions are totally unique. These traditions takes place on Easter Monday and involves men and boys visiting women and girls at their homes to splash them with water or spray them with perfume. The act of pouring water symbolizes health, beauty, and fertility for the coming year. I cannot hide because as a member of the vampire folk group, I have to wait until the male vampires from my group come to visit me with their music and singing, and then they splash me with a bucket of water. It is great fun for the male vampire because after the fun they can eat food and drink alcohol. This year we bought everything for Easter. Slovak Easter cheese is very delicious. You have to try it. It is made from eggs. The whole family eats breakfast together on Easter Sunday and Easter Monday. We relax at home and watch fairy tales on TV. The biggest stress comes on Easter Monday. Guys, are you prepared? Asked my friend Lukáš. Indeed, we can go. Let's go, people, replied Marek. The whole group was prepared for action on Easter Monday morning. They wore folk clothes, and when they started making music and singing together, the fun began. I was waiting for the moment when the boys from my folk group would arrive. Every male vampire had a bucket of water which they splashed on me. I, along with the other girls, screamed loudly and ran away while the male vampires chased us, splashing us with their buckets of water. By the end of the Easter Monday theater, the female vampires were completely drenched. They had to change into dry clothes and prepare food and alcohol for the men. Later, my family had a big Easter party. We ate a lot of food and drank a lot of alcohol. My boyfriend Peter wanted to splash me with a bucket of water, but I gave him a very dangerous, angry vampire look. Peter didn't dare do anything because he knew I could transform into a dangerous and wild vampire. Viera, don't be so strict with Peter. Look at him. He's so sad now, said my friend Katarina. Mind your own business, Katarina, I replied. Eventually, I realized with my vampire powers that my boyfriend was truly upset. So I let Peter splash me with a bucket of water. Peter was so happy to see my soaking wet once again. Then I passionately kissed him and said, anything for you, sweetheart. This was a situation when you had to show your boyfriend that you truly love him and would do anything for him. I told my friend Katarina, who burst out laughing. Later, my family had another big party. We ate even more food and drank lots of alcohol. The funniest moment of the night came when I drank too much wine. I transformed into a wild succubus and wanted to kiss Peter, but he had to put me to bed. The next day I struggled a little to get to school, but everything turned out fine. The end. Thank you, Peter. That's I'm of course. Thank you everyone for watching this special Easter episode. I want to wish you all again happy Easter, everyone. Be happy and relax during the Easter, during Easter with your family, and don't drink a lot of alcohol and have a lot of fun, of course. What else? I want to I can end this episode, and I want to tell you bye bye in the next episode. Bye bye again, people.